So this video is video number 3 for week 3, and I'm going to show you how to use flipgrid just in case you haven't used it before. So now that you know what content and how it should be organized, your elevator speech, and you've got some ideas about verbal and nonverbal communication skills, if you'd like to get some feedback on your elevator pitch before you actually make a final recording and upload it to YouTube for the assignment, then you can record, even if it's not complete, you can record some of it on Flipgrid. So what you do for Flipgrid is you click this link and you'll be asked to log in or join, and you want to join with Microsoft. And it'll prompt you for an email address, and you want to log in with your dcmail.ca email address. And I'm pretty sure you'll be okay figuring out how to use Flipgrid. I'm not actually going to walk you right through it. There's a little icon of a camera when you're ready to record to click on it at the bottom of the screen. And don't worry, if you don't like what you record, you can always redo it. It'll say redo it or keep it. So you record your 30 seconds or so of your elevator pitch, and then it asks you to take a selfie so I know who it is that's recording the pitch and I can see you. I think you can skip that if you really don't want to do it. And then you submit it. And once you submit it, I'll get a message from Flipgrid, and I can pretty much immediately respond to it, and I'll give you feedback. I'll give you 2 things you did well, so 2 pluses, 2 stars, and then I'll give you a wish. So something that maybe I would recommend you review the content that we've discussed and make a little bit of a revision before you actually record it and submit it for grading.